When you think of San Diego, California, what comes to mind? It's probably our beach lifestyle, the surfer culture, our nearly perfect year-round weather. Or perhaps maybe it's the cultural landmarks like the world-famous San Diego Zoo or Balboa Park. And you can't think of San Diego without mentioning our rich military heritage. Well, today, we're not gonna show you any of that. Hi y'all, I'm Darin Triolo, host of The American Dream. And today we're taking you off the beaten path to discover a charming tucked away treasure just 45 minutes from the beaches of San Diego, nestled in the rolling hills of East County, San Diego. Welcome to Jamul. Jamul has a rich history dating back to the indigenous Kumeyaay Indians who thrived in the region for thousands of years. By the late 19th century, Jamul developed into an agricultural hub, with horse ranching and vineyards shaping its rural landscape and economy. Today, Jamul is a thriving equestrian hub with dressage and rodeo ranch facilities and miles of backcountry trails. In fact, during the pandemic, many families were seeking a more rural location like Jamul, where they could homestead, raise animals, grow their own crops, and basically live off the grid. Speaking of off the grid, I can't wait to show you this incredible family compound, affectionately known as Oak Canyon Ranch. It sits on 12 acres of awesome. You have 400-year-old oak trees, your own private solar farm, and 2 high-producing wells for your water. Come on, let's go inside. What I absolutely love about this home is that the exterior is so unassuming, and then you walk through the front door and you have this really cool eclectic mix of like a Western vibe with modern luxury. I mean, look at this beautiful kitchen. We've got Thermador appliances, these gorgeous countertops, heated floors, and it all opens to this amazing living space with this beautiful dual-sided stacked stone fireplace. We have a massive screened-in porch. And check out this mantle. It's made from a 200-year-old ox yoke. This home features 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms with just over 2,000 square feet of living space. Look at this master suite. And if you follow me through the walk-in closet, it leads you into this luxurious master bath. Just behind the main home is a 2,000 square foot workshop, perfect for a woodworker, artist, storage for your farming equipment, or a place to showcase your classic cars. There's even an 800 square foot 1-bedroom apartment on the 2nd floor for a ranch hand or even rental income. And at the end of a long day riding, working, and playing, there's nothing better than a nice soak in your PebbleTech pool and spa. No ranch would be complete without horse facilities. Here you have 2 12-by-13 stalls, patient pole to train your foals, 60-foot round pen, a 4-rail arena, wash rack, hay barn, and even a she shack that doubles as a tack room. With the skyrocketing price of eggs these days, who wouldn't want their own chickens? And just when you thought to yourself, how could this property possibly get any better? There's a completely separate second home just up the hill. With over 1,000 square feet and panoramic views in every direction, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 480 square foot detached garage is ideal for multi-generational living, a place to run your business out of, or even additional income generation. There you have it, Jamul, the hidden gem of San Diego's East County, where modern luxury meets rural charm. Whether you're drawn in by its rich history, the thriving equestrian culture, or if you simply want to live off the grid like Oak Canyon Ranch, this haven in the hills has something for everyone. Until next time, I'm Darin Triolo, and this is The American Dream.